Hello and welcome to our new video on JSX and React. In this video, I'll be introducing you to JSX and how it is used in React.js. So first thing first, let's go talk about JSX. What is JSX? So basically JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows you to write HTML like elements in your JavaScript code. So it's an essential part of React. So if you are new to React, it's important to understand how it works. So let's take a look at what exactly is JSX. So as I told you, it is a syntax that allows you to write HTML like elements in your JavaScript code. These elements are called React elements and they are used to describe the structure of a user interface. So let's open a basic React application and from there we will proceed. So let's say I've booted a React application on my system. So a basic React application looks like this. So whatever you see here is JSX basically. So let's see an example of JSX. So basically if you do like this, so if you add a button here, so let me add a button. Yep. So this button can be termed as a JSX element and in here you can write anything. So let me right click me. Yep. And let's start our React application on localhost. So the command is like npm start, as we have seen in past videos. So after booting up the application, you can see we have got a button here which says click me, as we have rendered that button. So let's create a variable, a very basic variable. Let a is equal to, and whatever the string is we will put this in here. Okay, now if you add this a here, then obviously you will see only a here, but if you want to show this value, then you have to wrap this a in a curly brace. So now if you see, this is showing click me. So this is basically very basic introduction to JSX. So you can manipulate your UI according to your variable states and etc. So let's take another example. So let's create an array arr, and let's say in that array we have a names. So John comma, let's just take Jane, and then we have Sophie. Okay, now there's a method called map in JavaScript. So if you map this array like this, map item, and this item will be targeting each element of the array. So if you return oh, return item here, now what we will be seeing here is John, Jane and Sophie like this. If you go, yeah, there you are, John, Jane and Sophie. And if I want to give them some style, like not styling, but you can say this as item, and then we have a brick tag here. So now if you check, we'll be getting these as the output. So this is the very basic example of JSX, how JSX works. One thing to note is that this JSX is not an HTML It is a syntax that gets transpiled to JavaScript. When the React processes the code, and the React turns the JSX into JavaScript function calls. So that's a quick introduction to JSX in React. And as you can see, JSX makes it easy to create reusable components and build your user interfaces in React. Practice using JSX in your React projects and you will be a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.